Hello, fellow traders. It's Nutty Bar. It is time to do the recap. So, like we said, we're gonna do like a two-part recap. We're gonna recap the 3 minute strategy this morning. Obviously, you can see that was a loss, and which is totally fine. Like I said, we have about a 55% win rate on these trades, so we're gonna have our losses, but the main thing today, we followed our plan, we followed the rules, so I'm not upset about it. But here, this was our entry was triggered right here. The trigger to this morning was short, and our stop was right here. Was a little the first target. So one of the parameters for the first target to be filled, we do need to have at least 30 to 35 ticks in profit when that first 5 minute candle closes in order to take the profit. We didn't have that. We had some at, like, we were in profit by a little bit, but it just never, and we were just never able to break down below this 520. Market reversed, stopped us out on all contracts. So we did, the $600 is the max loss on this setup, so we took the max loss today, but we followed the rules. That's all the thing. Like, we're forward testing this on a 300k account, so hey, it's one of those things. Like, if this doesn't work and we end up blowing this 300k account, I'm not going to be that upset about it. I passed this 300k account on a news event, and it's a relatively small expense, but I'm basically just wanting to test it in a live environment. Not a live environment, but where it actually matters. And it actually, hey, if it works out, we can get a payout. That'd be awesome. But if not, that's okay too. Then let's switch to our other trades for the day. So this morning we tested this 500 level, and then we just saw a big move higher. Once we saw this move higher, I was waiting for a pullback. We got the pullback here, hit my first target, and hit my second target here. Obviously, the times when I decide that I don't need to runner, like I'm just going to take my profit, then it gives me a crazy nice move higher. Like, this is perfect for a runner. But of course, I decided I'm not going to look for a runner on this trade. So go figure. That's just how trading goes. So, but nonetheless, we had a nice trade here, about $120 trade. Took a long entry here that I just got out of right here, got cold feet. Then I re-entered again here, had my stop down below this. I did finally hit my profit targets on it. Honestly, at that point, I should have just walked away, but we took one more trade here, kind of just in this choppy area. It hit my first profit target, but then I got stopped out. But let's zoom in here so you guys can really appreciate where I got stopped out. I got stopped out, I mean, right in the tick. Shot in the tick once more. For the 2,455th time, I have been shot in the tick now. If you're counting. But then, of course, we proceeded to go higher. But right now, we're just trading in this range. And I decided, you know what? Let's just call it. Let's just call it a day. There's no need. This did kind of frustrate me a little bit. And it's just no need to keep trading. Take another loss. And then I'm just even more frustrated. It's just better if I just leave now. We're in profit by a little bit. And hey, a little bit of green is still better than red. So we're going to take it, walk away for the day, and we will be back tomorrow. Take care, everybody, and God bless.